Hi guys, so today someone asked me how do I draw in Pixel. So to tell you that in EVS Paint I use my customized brushes. Usually I always use customized brush, but to make a customized brush you have to use the default brush. So the default brush to make pixel is grid dot brush. You can find that on the default brush tab. I think it is on the bottom place of the default brushes, and actually it's kinda easy when you use or when you draw in pixel. But if you watch my video for a long time, you'll know that I'm actually drawing like no guidelines or sketch. Usually when I'm drawing eyes, but before when I draw portrait I use sketch, but most of the time um like previous like months ago, I think I start using pixel because it is easy, and I don't know, it's just easy for me. It's like I just wanted to have a drawing in pixel, but I wanted it to be realistic or semi-realistic. Is my mind is into semi-realistic style, so I did the blending part